safe to hide. We snap those prelims with some alginate goo. Ridges on record, that's how we do. Lab tech slide in, time to pour stone, not the soup you sip. We're making custom trays on a dental trip. It's the denture boogie, top to base. Smile design with style and grace. From tray to tooth, we never stole. We wax it, flask it, polish it all. Say cheese with flair, don't lose your groove. We're making dentures that really move. Now we're back with those custom trays. Z or PVS all the way. Capture that ridge with border mold, cause sloppy fit, that's just cold delegate. Hops it neat, stone it right. Master casts are looking tight. Record bases, rims so waxy. Vertical dimension looking classy. Midline marked in canine 2. We talk and smile, ba-ba-bo. Check the video, make it right, or granny's gonna bite all night. Mount it all on the articulator. Set those teeth like a smile creator. It's the denture boogie, wax and grin. Try in time, let the magic begin. We tweak, we trim, we phonate till the patient says, that's so me. Heated, packet, acrylic cure. The smile's built to last, for sure. Polish it smooth, high gloss gleam. Final insert, fulfill the dream. Check that fit, adjust with care. No sore spots, we're almost there. Follow up for hours, then a week. One more month to check that cheek. Teach them cleaning, wear it wide. Sweet surprise. It's the denture boogie, start to end. From the first exam to the final blend. With labs and laughs, we groove in sync. Making smiles faster than you think. So if you're lost, don't be shy. Just do the boogie and give it a try.